open your mouth as wide as you can, and then 吐出 wu, keep the wu, okay? 炒飯 you forget the double A 啦 open as wide as you can and then close transit smoothly and then transit smoothly and then 吐出 smoothly and then keep the ending wu, okay? 炒 good 飯 good. You see, you have not enough practice now, so sometimes all those you have caught in the beginning, now you lost it. So you must do more practice. Yeah. Not 炒 only one A. 炒 open your mouth as wide as you can, and then gradually transit. Don't be fast. I always tell you that don't be fast. 炒飯 Now, still even when you open your mouth wide, but you transit too fast, you close your mouth too fast, and then you pull through at once. Gradual transition, because double A, your mouth is so wide, so you gradual transit. I have always told you that in the very beginning, right? Actually, the sound difference depends on the length of the transition. So if your length of transition is too short, then your sound will change. Okay. Of course, when we are native, right? Even with speak very fast, we can still control the length so that the sound is clear. So even I say very fast, 炒飯, I can make the sound 炒 clear, okay? I can speak so fast, but you cannot. So you have to make it very gradually and smoothly, where you can really grasp the whole transition. People can hear your whole transition. Then the sound will be clear. 炒飯. Yeah, still not wide enough, not slow enough. Gradually, 炒. When you gradually transit, you pull through, but you keep the ending wu sound. Okay. Otherwise, even you are long enough and wide enough, right? Because you suddenly pull through. No, gradually. So yeah, gradually. 炒. And then keep it. Yeah, but no, you still open your one. 嗱，你就炒啦 ，too quick 嘅菜式係炒，變咗 one A 啊，炒 better, yeah. No, this is the best. Yeah, this is the best. Yeah, so you keep hearing to my basic sound video, and then you make your own sound, and then you tune it, okay, until you finally can catch this basic technique in making the sound exact. Okay, you have learned it, so but you need practice again. Okay, 炒飯啦。炒飯 yeah. No, if you want to practice now, you can. But if not, you can try to listen to the basic sound, to listen more, tune more, because now it seems that you're not so familiar with it already. Okay, you seldom practice now, so you go back. Listen more, tune more, just like the exercise you have done in the beginning and the initial stage of your learning. So then you can save the time in the lesson now. Now you just need practice because you have already mastered it in the very beginning. Just need practice. Okay, so yeah. Wanton bean, yes. Mian bao, good. You know when Cantonese people say wanton, there is another meaning. If they use the tissue, for example, this is tissue, to cover up the sign, right? Yeah. Yeah, then they do it this way, okay? And then they all put on the table, not throwing it away. So this is a wonton, and then this is another wonton. When we say wonton, we mention that wonton. So it also depends on context. When you have make some of this and then on your table, and then your colleagues will come. 哇，你咁多雲吞嘅，你包咗成日雲吞， then you ask who 雲吞 I have a 雲吞 to eat. I have a 雲吞. Then they will laugh. You don't know this is your 雲吞啦. Okay, yeah. Because it's similar, right? It is they after you making it and then you just like a small round 雲吞. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, continue. 你話你有雲吞同埋麵啊？我可唔可以要晒全部啊？我好肚餓喎，肚餓喎 ，hungry 喎，我可唔可以要晒全部啊？我 sometimes if I'm a close friend 啊，哇，全部要晒，全部攞嚟啦，全部啦！哇！咁我哎呀咩嘛？我男人嚟噶嘛，梗係要食多啲噶嘛，要打機好攰㗎。我今晚又我冇食飯嚟㗎，我諗住慳翻啲飯錢，所以嚟你都一路食飯一路打機㗎嘛。肥人啊，冇肥人。If I am man 就要識肥仔或肥佬 ，OK， 唔係肥人，會都識肥人嘅。如果 if I am lady 咧，就識你肥妹肥婆，OK， 男人就係肥仔肥佬，女人就肥婆肥妹 ，OK， 會變成啦，you can say 話你會變啦，你 use the word 變 ，that means changing to，OK， 你會變肥婆啦，你會變肥佬啦，我話你會肥啊，you can just say 你會肥喎，that means the 肥咧會 already mean that you are getting fat 啦會 ，OK， 你會肥喎，你唔怕肥啊，你會變肥佬嘅喎 ，OK。Yeah. Well, here the US people are really very fat. Wow, you are really smart, very thin, but I don't know a few years later. Yeah, because I see many men even at their 30s, they are already very old, they're very fat. Yeah, 係啊，太肥啦 ，OK， 所以你保養得好好啊！你we always use English, right? The Hong Kong people we use the word keep. That means you keep you keep 你 keep 得好好啊！That means you are still so fit. You keep your fit body, okay? 你 keep 得好好喎。So when you hear keep 咧，you don't ask, I haven't learned that kind of Cantonese keep. Okay, I go back to my soul ask what is the Cantonese word keep?Keep is not Cantonese, it's English, okay? 你 keep 得好好啊！你 say 你 keep 得好 fit 喎 ，fit also English, okay? We just like fusion, right? Of Hong Kong people, always fusion, okay? Keep. No, not Cantonese, the KEEP keep, okay? 你 keep 得好 fit 喎 ，okay? Yeah, that's why is sometimes you will ask that.What is keep? How to write keep? And then he said, you don't know keep. You are English speaking. Then you KEEP keep. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Keep. Yeah. Very convincing. Yeah. OK. After you prepare the food, then you serve it on the table, right? Then you say 嗱你嘅 ，you can just say 你嘅，我話嗱食啦咁樣，我話食啦，我話if it is a formal meal. Okay, you already put all the food on the table, and then your guests are coming, ready to sit down, and then you can say that, 大家起筷啦。If you really a formal meal, then you need to use chopstick like this, right? If it's a Chinese meal, right? 大家起筷啦，我話大家if it is Western style 咁，而家要say 大家開餐啦，開means start 啦，餐 means the meal 啊，就 mean we can start the meal, OK？ 大家開餐啦，大家起筷啦，大家埋嚟 come to the table， 大家埋嚟食啦，我 just say 食，大家食啦，大家食飯啦，我話嗱食得啦，我話 you just serve one， then you say that， 呢碟你嘅，我話嗱得啦，坐低食啦，可以食啦，like this，OK？Yeah。大家 means all together. If a whole group of people, right? If just one friend, then you say that 嗱你嘅，我話嗱食得啦，我 just 嗱 because he already saw that you put the food on the table, and then if only two close friends, then 唔使客氣啦。咁我唔係咯，我食咯，我話you know that we can say 吔 right？ 吔 for eating 吔我食。我吔啦，你吔先啦，我仲要入去攞埋啲餸出嚟啊！你吔先啦，你食先啦，得yeah. Yeah, everyone. Yeah, if even two people, you can say 大家，我哋 if just are two close friends with you， then 喂我哋埋嚟食啦，我哋開始食啦，我哋食得啦咁樣，then you don't need to say 大家 usually means a group of people，yeah, and then yeah。大家太肥，我哋要面喺度。You want to say that here are all the food for you. All of you are welcome to come sit down and eat, right? Yeah, of course. Yeah, 大家過嚟啊！大家埋嚟食啊！ If they are not coming yet, you have to welcome them. 食得啦，大家埋嚟啊！大家埋嚟就 mean 大家 doesn't mean not a fixed number, but usually when you say 大家 that means at least a few people 啦。If just one or two or even three should be around you, right? But at least of course two more than two. You can also say 大家it just mean everyone or all people, okay? So 大家埋嚟啦，大家唔好客氣喎，大家食啦。咁if Chinese meal 咧 formal 咧 a formal invitation 會 say 起筷more polite. But nowadays to be modern 咧 just say 開餐 ，OK？ 我都要識食大家埋嚟食啦咁樣yeah. All your guests later. Then you can when they just arrived, you can say that 你哋遲到，你哋咁遲啊，做乜咁遲啊 ？Of course you are not blaming. You just say that why you so late？ 大家咁遲啊，快啲入嚟，快啲等你好耐啦。Yeah. If you invite a group of friends but they are still not yet come, or they the whole group of people just arrived, and then you talk to your wife, 大家都遲咗啊， 所以仲未到啊，或者話大家都遲咗啊，咁我哋都遲陣先至攞啲嘢食出嚟啊，仲要坐低傾下偈啊咁樣，咁你就話大家咯。But you can also say when they arrive in by your door, then you can just as a welcome. 我要先，哇咁遲㗎！大家都咁遲㗎？哇等咗你哋好耐啊！歡迎入嚟啦，咪快啲入嚟啦咁樣，因為遲啦嘛。咁you know that the Chinese people sometimes we have fun 啊。Some words I think the Western culture people won't say it. You won't because it seems that it gives a sense of complaining. Right? You won't say that you are late. Why are you so late? You won't say that. You will always say welcome. What time they come, you will just say welcome. Even they say, oh sorry we are late, then you will say, oh never mind, just the right time. Come in, okay, enjoy. They won't mention it, you are late. Or why are you late? But the Chinese people will say that. 哇咁遲啊 Actually they say 咁遲 is not complaining. They even frown their face. They mean that I waited so long. Okay, I'm expecting you to come for so long. You keep me waiting. That kind of sense. So you instead of 會變成人會肉緊啊 ，OK？ Wow, why are you so late? OK? Oh, come. OK? 咁遲啊，咁 so sometimes you don't know the culture, then you think that why you say me late? I just late for 10 minutes, and then you know that I think for the Western people, because usually you just open your house. If there is a home welcoming gathering, you just open your house. You see that you can come anytime after 6. So there is no time of late or not. Okay, so people come different time because the meal is served on the table, and then it is not how to say it. They put all the food one everywhere of the table. You just take pay yourself, and then you just go and take your food you want, right? That kind of just like seems like buffet, right? The Western people, even their home meal, okay? You still serve it like just like a buffet. But for Chinese, if Chinese invite friends, usually it's you have experience, right? A whole table, and all the foods are either already served on the table if they are waiting, or inside the kitchen. When the guests have come, maybe chit chat for some time, and then when the owner says, oh, let us start the dinner, the meal, then maybe the lady will bring all those dishes, and then okay, then all of you sit around the table and wait until all tables are ready here, and then wait until the owner says, oh, 我哋起筷啦. You cannot. Once I sit down, okay, I already take some. No, this is not polite. Okay, sit down, all serve, and then you have to wait for the. So you know the Chinese when they have a meal, they want to be together. So if someone don't come, they will say, oh, let us wait for some more time, and then maybe let us just talk or drink beers or have some drinks, and then until people. So if you attend Chinese meal, better if they say that 7 p.m. You better arrive at 7 p.m. You don't think that it's okay. I want to arrive at 9 p.m. because they say that 7 to 10. So let me arrive at 9, and then I can just they can start first, and then I can come because they are waiting for you for the meal. You know that. They won't start the meal without all the guests are here. Yeah, especially some big family, even their own family member, they want to wait for them to come. Yeah. You have learn some bad experience, right? Learn from some bad experience. Yeah, that's good. Okay, yeah. So today, should we wait here? I give you 10 minutes more. Yeah. So it's okay. So anything want to ask? It's okay.